The KRC Diagnostic Package is extremely important for support and troubleshooting. As a beginner, one of the most helpful things you can do when working with a controller is to provide a complete KRC Diagnostic Package. It allows you to inspect log files and all relevant diagnostic data in detail. There are multiple ways to create a diagnostic package. The first method uses iiQWorks.Cockpit. When you have a controller instance running, open the Instance menu by selecting the three dots. You may notice that the option Create Diagnostic Package is grayed out. This means the action is restricted to specific user roles. In this case, you need to log in as administrator. After logging in, the option becomes available. When you create the diagnostic package, you can define the local storage path and choose whether to include dump files. Dump files can significantly increase the file size, so you should only include them if they are really needed. Generate the report and confirm the destination. The system connects to the controller and creates the diagnostic package. The result is a zip file stored in the selected location. On a real controller, if a USB stick is connected, the diagnostic package is automatically saved to the USB device. Otherwise, it is stored on the controller hard drive or in the local path defined in Cockpit. You can also create a diagnostic package directly from the HMI. From the main menu, select Diagnostic Package. Access is restricted, so you must log in as administrator. After logging in, you can create a new diagnostic package and view existing ones. When you select a package, the system shows where it is stored. On a real controller, this is the controller file system path. No matter where the diagnostic is initiated, if a USB stick is connected, the zip file is saved there. Diagnostic packages can be quite large. For example, a typical file size can be over 60 megabytes. Inside the zip file, you will find event logs, system logs, instance data, and program information. There is also a log file documenting the diagnostic generation process, including detailed controller configuration data. The diagnostic package is always specific to the selected controller instance. This concludes how you create and understand a KRC diagnostic package using Cockpit and the HMI.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.